Hello everyone! Let's look at how to join a live learning session on the 2020 California HR Conference event site. In this example, we'll start from the home page, but it all works the same no matter where you access the agenda. So let's click into the agenda from the Schedule tab and find the live session you want to attend. After clicking into the session, look for the Join Meeting button, as well as the blinking Join this live meeting message that's just to the right. Click on the pink Join Meeting button to bring up the presentation, as well as all the Zoom prompts that you're probably very familiar with at this point in the year. Over on the right, you'll see the interactive session features, starting with the chats, polls, a list of people attending this specific session, as well as any files the speaker may have shared as part of their presentation. You can also add your own personal notes about the presentation right up here. And down here is where you can change the view into theater mode for a full screen experience. So that's it for joining and interacting with a live learning session here at VCAHR20. If you come across any questions or need help with anything, please use the Get Support option in your account drop-down at the top right corner of your screen to get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.